10 English phrasal verbs with put to use in conversation. Put away. Put away. To tidy up or store something. Example: please put away your toys when you're done playing. Put on. Put on. To wear clothing or accessories. Example: she put on her coat before going outside. Put off. Put off. To postpone or delay. Example: they had to put off the meeting until next week. Put up. Put up. To provide someone with a place to stay temporarily. Example: can you put up your cousin for the weekend? Put out. Put out. To extinguish a fire or a cigarette. Example: he quickly put out the campfire before leaving. Put forward. Put forward. To suggest or propose an idea. Example: she put forward a great plan for the project. Put down. Put down. To criticize or belittle someone. Example: it's not fair to put him down like that. Put together. Put together. To assemble or create something. Example: let's put together a puzzle this evening. Put aside. Put aside. To save or reserve for later. Example: don't forget to put aside some money for emergencies. Put in. Put in. To invest effort or time into something. Example: she really put in a lot of work on this project.